In a few seconds, we could be getting a signal to go long, and if that is the case, I will be taking a long trade. So we've got the signal to go long, we've got this green arrow underneath the price, and I'm going to buy this as we go. We're in the trade, and from here, I'm going to place my stop loss and my take profit. So we're going for a 1-to-1 on this one. So now that the trade is placed, we have the signal because we've got this green arrow underneath this array. The array is spread out and it's looking good, and we are very bullish on this one. The validator dots have turned green on the close of this candle. And throughout this pullback process, we had this trend indicator green, and it's still green at the time of the signal. I'm going to let this trade play out, and when I get to either manage the trade or when we get taken out in profit, I will come back. This trade worked out. It did pull back a little bit along the way, but we had our stop loss placed appropriately, and because of that, we escaped getting stopped out. And once the market decided to go in our favor, it went very well. Thank you for watching this Forex Profitude live trade, and I'll see you in the next one.